Hey guys, this is C with Atlantic Knife, and today we're going to do a review of the new Civivi Statera. This is the 901B model. So go ahead and open it up. I'm using my camera lady's Native 5. Nice knife. So we take the Statera out of the box. We have a nice little case it comes in, logoed. Have the knife itself. I can't help but flick them open as soon as I get them. Fur lined. Reminds me of Hugh Hefner's bedroom. And the Civivi cleaning cloth. So let's get that out of the way and let's get to what's important. Starting off here with Statera, we'll go over basic specs. 8 inches from tip to hilt. It is blade length is 3 and I can't remember exactly, I think 3.45 inches. It's a D2 blade. The hardness is 59 to 60-61, somewhere in that area on the scale. Handle length is 4.5, so a little bit longer than the blade. The materials are G10 with a carbon fiber overlay on this model. The liner material is a gold stainless steel. The clip material is actually 6AL4V titanium, and the screws are also titanium in this. That's a nice little extra touch there. Has a G10 back spacer, lanyard hole, and it does a steel ball bearing for its pivot assembly. The weight of the knife is 3.7 ounces. So it has a nice action on it. Opens pretty easy. It's pretty easy to close. I actually like this knife. Feels good in your hand. But you've heard all the specs, so now we'll go over the important stuff. Let's see how it cuts. Got some paracord here. We'll give that a shot. That cut pretty easy. We got some this stuff. This is the stuff that it's like a tool, like a burlap tool. If I don't cut my hand off, probably should have got a bigger piece. So I cut that pretty easy. Bring over some paper. I didn't do that too well. Not too bad there. Not too bad. Not as sharp as like a ZT would be. This I would obviously go and put an edge on this thing. Seems pretty nice though. Make sure you guys check out our other YouTube videos and our YouTube show. We're still looking for a name, and we're doing a giveaway to that name. So watch our video and put a name suggestion at the bottom. People on IGTV, make sure you follow Atlantic Knife. We do giveaways almost every week, from anything from $50 knives to high-end knives. So make sure that you subscribe on YouTube and like on IG. So that would be the end for the Civivi Statera. I am C, and I am signing off.